talk, we talk to them. And no little talk, we talk to EP Records. One in. And no little talk, we talk to them. And no little talk, we talk to them. And no little talk, we talk to them. See, you know. Mama one and him nah here. Papa talk him, ignore him. Go long like say him don't care. Out all people boring, huh?
Yo, my people, wagwan. You don't know say artist there, you see me? And my people, you see right, that's how I sit down. I sit down around a little boat, you know. You understand? Who don't know what is running a boat? I sit down and cook a little pot. You understand? And I click on the internet and guess what I see? Mama did I warn him, and him nah listen. Papa did I warn him, but all people boring. Bounty killer, my people. With a brand new thing when him warning. Now that one here sound sick. That one here sound insane. That one here off the chain. You understand? That me I talk about. That one here is a next hit song, my people. Go check it out. Go check it out. You understand? Wanna go buy it too. Cause you hear me? That tune here, warning. Sound. Insane. Like seriously insane. You understand my people? You don't know say artist this time, you don't know say bounty killer. Our DJ, you understand my people? So if any general drop something, we have to come emphasize on it. You understand? I just write the site there. So you hear my people? We're going to check out Bounty Killer new song. Warning. Warn them again. You understand my people? We're going to check it out. Warning.
Talk, we talk to them. And no little talk, we talk to EP Records. Warning. And no little talk, we talk to them. And no little talk, we talk to them. And no little talk, we talk to them. See, you know. Mama one and him nah here. Papa talk him, ignore him. Go long like say him don't care. Out all people boring, huh?